back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stop TikTok from syncing contacts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to stop TikTok from syncing contacts, then all you gotta do is simply go to your TikTok. Once you tap open your TikTok, you need to go to your profile, and once you go to your profile, you need to tap on the hamburger like option. So once you tap on it, you simply go and tap open your settings and privacy. There you need to simply scroll down below and hit the privacy section. Here you can find the option called sync your contacts. Simply tap on this option, sync contacts and Facebook friends. Now if your toggle is on the right hand side, then you need to simply turn it on to the left hand side. Once you have done this, TikTok will stop syncing your contacts into your TikTok accounts. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.